Introducing the Niagara Equate Matte Black Concealed Shower Set, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This stunning masterpiece boasts a matte black finish that adds a touch of refinement to any bathroom decor. Equipped with a deluxe round slide rail kit and handset, it offers ultimate convenience and versatility. The ceiling-mounted rainfall head creates a soothing rain-like cascade, delivering a rejuvenating and refreshing shower every time. The triple concealed shower valve guarantees optimal water control, while the thermostatic cartridge ensures a safe and comfortable temperature. Safety is our top priority, and the automatic shut-off feature protects against scalding by instantly cutting off the water supply in case of cold water failure. Indulge in pure luxury and immerse yourself in blissful serenity every time you step into your bathroom. The Niagara Equate Matte Black Concealed Shower brings a spa-like experience to your everyday routine. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.